In this video, I'll show you a quick fix for if you've twisted your join when knitting in the round. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get a notice each time I go live or post a new video. So sometimes when joining to knit in the round, it can be hard to tell if you've twisted. If you catch it right away in the first round, there's a pretty easy fix. Let me show you how this works. I've cast on stitches to begin a sock. I'm using DPNs, but this works no matter what needle method you are using. And I began the first round, and I on purpose put a twist in there. So you won't necessarily realize that you've twisted until you get back around to the beginning. And here I am, where am I? Right here. I'm ready to continue knitting across here, and I can see now that my cast on edge is wrapping over the needle. This trick really only works if when it works for pretty much any cast on method that you use, and it works best if you've not used the tail and the working yarn to work that very first stitch, which is usually what I like to do. But it will still work with that method, but you will have two strands here joining the end of the round and the beginning of the round instead of a single strand. This works easiest when there's a single strand. If there are two strands here, they will end up wrapping around each other and you'll have a little bit of a twist visible, but it won't be bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue knitting a few more stitches, I think. And then before I proceed, I'm going to fix this twist. So what I do is I will slide my stitches so that the right hand needle is closer to the end, the edge of those stitches, and I'm going to move the needle and dive down, in, and back around, and look, I have untwisted that twist. So if you are twisted the other way, you would dive down behind and untwist in that direction. I was twisted over this way, so I went in the other direction to untwist that. And now this edge is untwisted. The only result of that, other than untwisting it, is this strand is untwisted. The thread, the yarn itself, has untwisted just a little bit. But if you're using a stable yarn, that shouldn't be a problem, and the twist from the other stitches, once you knit around, will start to ease into that little section of yarn. But now my cast on is completely untwisted and I am ready to go. So that's a really simple, quick fix to fix a twist in your cast on edge when you're joining in the round. If you catch it right away in after you've worked that first round and you come back around, you simply dive your needle down, or from the front or from the back, depending on which way it's twisted, and voila, your edge will be completely untwisted and ready to go. You do not have to rip out and recast on and start over. Was this a new tip to you? Would it come in handy for your knitting? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.